Hello students, I hope you all are doing good and your online tests are going pretty well. So today we will be practicing grammar in various comprehensions. Did you know the longest English word that can be spelled without repeating any letters is uncopyrightable? So we have already covered the grammar in our earlier sessions and today we will implement it. Now let's begin with the first passage where we will have to fill in the blanks with the options given below. I'll give you 5 seconds for each answer. Hello, my name is Samarth. I dash 12 years old. The correct answer here is I am 12 years old. I want to tell you about the new water park in our town. We will go there dash Saturday. Well, the correct answer here is we will go there on Saturday. Dash many scary slides. The correct answer here is there are many scary slides because it's plural. Dash I am brave enough to ride them. The correct answer here is but I am brave enough to ride them. But here is a coordinating conjunction. Okay, now let's go to the next line. And you should see the sprinklers. Dash are so cool on hot days. Correct answer here is they. They are so cool on hot days. There is an interesting pool. It dash its own waves and everybody tries to jump over them. The correct answer here is it makes its own waves and everybody tries to jump over them. The park has dash snack bars. The correct answer here is many. The park has many snacks bars. In this sentence, many is a determiner. The park has many snack bars. They sell everything from fast food to ice cream. There is just one problem. The water park is so dash at the weekends. The answer here is the water park is so crowded at the weekends. You need to wait in very long lines for the slides, but it's worth it. They even dash pets. The correct answer here is they even allow pets. So I can take my puppy with me. We all dash so much fun there. The correct answer here is we all have so much fun there. Here we have used have, which is used to describe events, action, experiences and activities. And going to the park, water park, is an experience as well as an activity which we have described with we all have so much fun there. Now let's go to the second passage. Hi, my name is Parul and I dash from Uttar Pradesh, India. Well, the correct answer here is I come from Uttar Pradesh, India. So here we have used the word come because whenever you're talking about your origin, this is how you create a sentence and talk about it. I am 24 years old and I dash in a small town near Lucknow called Kanpur. So the correct answer here is I live in a small town near Lucknow called Kanpur. I don't have a job now, but normally I dash as a salesman. Well, the correct answer here is work. I don't have a job now, but normally I work as a salesman. I am not married. I live with my family. Dash a nice house in Kanpur. So here the correct answer is in. I live with my family in a nice house in Kanpur. My sister is an actress. Dash, she isn't very famous. The correct answer here is but. My sister is an actress, but she isn't very famous. She acts in a local theatre in Dash town. The correct answer here is in our town. On the weekends, we like to go camping in a small dash near our house. The correct answer here is on the weekends, we like to go camping in the small forest near our house. I normally dash up at 8 o'clock, but dash Thursdays I get up at 6 o'clock. Okay, so here I have taken two of the blanks together because that was making more sense. I normally get up at 8 o'clock, but on Thursdays I get up at 6 o'clock because that is the day I dash running at the park. So the correct answer here is I go running at the park. Did you realize that the comprehensions we just practiced are more informal in nature and it's easy to relate to them? You have to use your knowledge and common sense to come up with the correct answers. Now it's time to know about the comprehension questions and how to answer them effectively. Time for some tips to remember. Read quickly and thoroughly. As at first glance, it is easy to misread the question and end up answering the wrong question. Only use the passage for information. When answering these questions, you must only answer based on the information presented and not what you already know. Stay calm. Verbal comprehension tests can be particularly nerve-wracking due to their quick pace and strict time limits. Keep upgrading your vocabulary. Having a good vocabulary means that it becomes more easier for the students to understand the question and it enables them to understand the meaning that the given passage is trying to imply. Read newspaper. Try reading English newspapers daily and take notice of the various vocabulary and words that they use. It will help in improving your reading speed as well. Reading newspapers will also keep you up to date with the current scenarios and situations and will also help you to understand how and where to answer in what forms. With this, our practice session is over. I hope it was helpful. Let me know if you have any queries related to this session in the comment section below. This session was for practice only and not to be done in your notebooks. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay at home, and stay hydrated. Bye-bye.